Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Ugg Australia, but this time I've got them from Walmart and it was only one pair as it was on sale, as they didn't have laces, so they were without. And I've got laces on eBay for a few dollars, and those were $60, and they are made in Vietnam. The model is called Ugg Neumel. So box, they came from Walmart in this box, and here is the tag, and also it was only 11 size, and my Ugg size is 10, so I've got one size bigger because they were cheaper. And here they are. Let's open them, and they are in color pink. They came with this. So they came without laces, and I've got pink laces on eBay, but they are not quite the same color. As you can see, these ones are more neutral pink, and this is more like different shade, but not too much, so I don't worry about it. And they look like this. Bottoms looks like this. They have nice tread light soles. Let's see. And inside, this model has fur, and they are laces here in front, so you can regulate the width. And inside they are nice and cozy like this. Pink fur inside, and they also have Ugg something. Here we have some pull tab, you can pull them when you put them on. And here is the tag, so they are original because this thing looks like this. It has those suns which change colors, holographic ones. They have patent also. This part is not sheepskin, but it's suede. And here we have something suede light line. So they are a little bit different than original, like classic Uggs. And they are made in Vietnam. USA 11, UK 9, European 42. And here we have an engraved sign, Ugg, and reinforcement here on the sole. No, on the heel part. I remember when Uggs were so in style. I used to love them and always was wishing to have more and more. But then I've got more, and then I was like, I don't need anymore. But now they come out with new styles, and this really, I really liked it, and because it was on sale, I decided to get it, and also pink color. I really like them in pink. And I also got lately Uggs on Victoria's Secret page, as I had some rewards, so I've got them cheaper. I found this inside, so I will do unboxing of that pair in future. So if you want to know which one I've got, then subscribe, and also you can give likes to that clips so I know if you enjoy Uggs unboxings. So this could be even put down like this. Inside they come with this. So they could be even worn like this maybe. No, it's actually too short. But I really like them. They're cute. I try them on. They will be a little bit big on me, but actually I like when Uggs are a little bigger, because I think it's more comfortable. Okay, I put one more. Let's see. Kind of doing big. That's why. Just a little bit. That's why it might look funny on me. To be bigger. for today's video. Hope you enjoy. If you like, give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.